Understanding the phrase, roast on low heat. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a common culinary phrase you might encounter in recipes or cooking shows. Roast on low heat. Understanding such phrases not only enhances your English vocabulary but also gives you a peek into the culture of English-speaking countries. Let's get started. Roast on low heat is a phrase composed of two parts, roast and on low heat. Let's look at each part separately. Roast. This is a cooking method where you cook food, often meat, in an oven or over a fire. Roasting typically involves cooking at high temperatures, but it can vary. On low heat, this part of the phrase refers to the temperature setting. Low heat means cooking at a lower temperature, which is slower than cooking at high heat. So, when combined, roast on low heat means to cook something, usually meat, in an oven or over a fire at a low temperature. Understanding the purpose behind this cooking method is crucial. Roasting on low heat has several benefits. 1. Even cooking. Low heat allows the food to cook evenly, reducing the risk of burning the outside while the inside is still raw. 2. Tenderness and flavor. Slow cooking at a low temperature helps in retaining the moisture of the food, making it tender and flavorful. 3. Control. It offers better control over the cooking process, which is essential for delicate dishes. While roast on low heat is primarily a culinary term, it's also used metaphorically in everyday English. For example, taking a slow approach, just like cooking slowly, it can imply taking a careful, measured approach to a task. Gentle criticism. In a social context, it can refer to teasing or criticizing someone in a light, non-harmful way. I hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of roast on low heat. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about understanding the context and culture behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.